Hey guys, Dave here. Today we need to flush the brake fluid on our XT250. Super easy. Here's how to do it. If you've got passenger pegs on, there's 2 bolts. Pull those off. Then there's this .4 only lid. Pull that off. Once you get that off, you're gonna see this. That's your reservoir. Got your little nub right here. It's gonna be covered like this. Just pop that off. And this is a super small tube, so it's really easy. Once I stick my tubing on it, it's gonna be great. I need to get an 8mm wrench. At least I think it's 8. Stick on here, yep. And then what I can do is I can just press the brake lever. That's gonna be my pump. So what I wanna do is I wanna get rid of this fluid down here. I wanna leave this some in the sight glass. I don't wanna get it all the way down into the pump. But I'm gonna start adding .4 brake fluid up top here so I keep it full. You kind of see how full it is right now. It's down to this line right here. That's as high as you wanna go. So here we go. So I'm gonna put a little pressure on the rear brake. I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna just pump fluid through it. So press brake, open, push it down, hold the brake, close the valve so it doesn't pull it back through. And I'm gonna just do this a bunch of times. Now, we're at a point where you can see my sight glass is getting low, so I'm gonna fill it up to this line right here and then do it again. That's way too full. Oops. Yeah, don't do it that full. I went to the very top. Doesn't need a lot, apparently. Open, press, close. And you can see some air bubbles. That's actually coming from the outside of it because I'm getting air bubbles when I'm not opening the valve at all. So I don't really have to worry about any of that. So I've got pretty clean fluid now. I'm gonna fill this up one more time. Ooh, that's pretty full. I think I need to pump it once to kind of get it back down to where it needs to be. It's too high. Okay, maybe one more, half a pump. Okay, sight glass is totally full. I want to show you what I'm talking about. See how I still have bubbles coming in? It's coming from outside, it's not coming from inside. So I have this fully closed and I still have bubbles. That's because my seal isn't perfect on my tubing. That's fine. It has nothing to do with my brake line. All right, my sight glass is full. Out here, we're a little below the line. I may add just a tiny bit more. I'm trying to get just the right amount. You don't need a lot. Okay, I think that's it. So we're gonna undo this. Wipe everything off. Okay, so let's go ahead and close this up. Put the lid back on here, and the direction you want to put it is you want .4 only facing you. I'll just slip it back in here. It's a really simple procedure. I actually enjoy bleeding brakes quite a bit because it's just so easy. Then you just want to make sure they're snug. I'm not going very tight. You can see my hand. I'm just so snug, and then one tiny little twist, not even that much. That's it. That's how to do the brake fluid in your XT250. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.